Melissa here with Epson LabelWorks. Today I'm with the LW-PX350 and I'm going to show you how easy it is to format your labels. Now this is going to be a two-part series, so in part one I'm going to show you the different buttons that you can use to access those edit options, and then in part two we'll dive into making a label. We're going to start by turning the printer on. And our formatting buttons are here. So you can see we have two quick change options for the font type and the font size, but we can also drill into those menus to access the mode and the style formatting menus. So anything in blue, we use our blue shift key to access. So we're going to press and hold the shift key and then hit the mode button. Now in here we have a few options for formatting our label. The first option is decorate. This allows us to apply a outline, a shadow, maybe you want your text bold or italic. You can find those options here. The next option is space. This allows you to control the character spacing. There is none or normal. Moving along, we have the font. Now again, this is available on the quick change button, but I like it here as well because this printer has 14 fonts built in. So this allows you to scroll through them a little slower and see the differences and pick the one that's exactly right for your label. If you scroll down again, the printer will ask you if you want to end this session within your editing. This allows you to apply whatever changes you had just made or selected in the mode menu. Go ahead and select that, apply the changes that you've made to the area of the label that you want to apply them to, and press return. Now the next button over is our size or style button. So again, if we use the quick change button just as it is, this allows us to control the font size. Or if we use the shift key, we can access the style menu. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to press and hold the shift key and then press the style button. Now the first option here is our orientation. So this allows you to set it as either vertical or horizontal. Next we have the layout option. This allows you to center or left-right justify your text on the label. The next option is frame. Now within the frame menu is also table. So the table allows you to block or create different segments of information organized on your label. And then the frame allows you to put a decorative frame around the entire label. There's a bunch of options in there, so check those out. Moving along, we see the lines feature. Now this is how this printer organizes the font size, is based on the number of lines of text you have. So again, you can access this on the quick change button, but if you want to scroll through them here, you can do that as well. Finally, the last option is that end. End is going to ask you if you want to end your session within the style menu. So select end and you can apply those changes to your label. So that was a quick rundown on the formatting options of the LW-PX350. Check out part 2 of this video if you want to see how we apply those features to our labels. Give us a call if you have questions or want to chat about your labels. We'd love to talk with you. Thanks again and happy labeling!